Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell. We still got a lot left to do to the Red Demon. I'm fixing to show you guys a video that I shot probably about almost 2 months ago, I should say. I've been kind of keeping this under wraps. I know I mentioned before that we didn't spend the money on building the 302 because we was going to spend the money in other places, and that's what we did. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I tried to edit out as much as I possibly could to make it short and sweet, but it's kind of hard to do with all these components. And if I do get some of the parts names wrong, don't crucify me for it, guys. But I believe you guys will enjoy this, and you'll kind of understand, like I said, the whole reason why we did not build the 302. We left it all stock. And I hope you enjoy the video. Guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, thanks for tuning in. Like I mentioned in the last video, we was waiting on some packages to come in the middle of this week. They came in. Yeah, the goal tonight is to open these boxes and to find out if everything came that was supposed to come. So let's get started on doing that. All right, guys, these are two pretty big boxes here. I think we're going to open this one right here first and see what's in here, because this one's the heaviest. So we're going to open this up. Let me get this one out of the way. We'll open that one up here in a minute. Let's see how we're going to get in here. Guess we'll open it from here. Full of peanuts. Alright, so we got to get something set up here. You guys can see. There we go. Looks like we have an oil line and some fittings. I'll put that right there. Let's see here. I'm running out of bench space, guys. What I'm doing. I had to put parts on the floor. That's a box. There's another box. Right here. Box. There's a spring. Got injectors. Supposed to be 47-pound. Injectors, put them right there. Tuck those away. I'm guessing you all know what that was. I ain't worried about making no mess in the shop. We can sweep it up. I don't exactly know what's in that. We have to open that up. Oh, I think that's the bracket for the alternator. Package there. Got some elbows. I'm sure you all can guess what's going on by now. I should have just cut the box open. Got another box. Oh, run out of places to put it, guys. Clamps, V-bands. Just snowing and pageling. Let me get this mess cleaned up and we'll open up that other box. Alright, we got our second box right here. I think you guys get the picture of what's going on here. So I think this one will actually open from the top, so that's good. I got all the peanuts cleaned up. Thank God my 4-year-old wasn't out here. She'd have them straight everywhere. Alright. There we go. This should be all of our piping that we need right there. It's nice. Got some nice welds on there. Super clean welds. I'm not a professional welder, but that looks like a stack of dimes to me. They look like scales on a snake's back. So we got all of our cold side. Everything looks really good, man. Very impressed so far. So let me shut this. And go ahead and jack it up so you can get on the car, Mike. All right, that's what I have to do. Alright, this on 3 looks really good inside. Welds is nice. So I contacted Greg at On 3 Performance. And talked to him. And was talking to him about everything I needed. Let me grab the other camera. I'll catch you guys there on that one. Like I was saying, I talked to Greg and was telling him what I was looking for, and he hooked me up. So we should have everything we need to do this kit. We already have the headers, the hot side. I'm gonna either wrap those or we're gonna have them blast and do something with them. We gotta get rid of that ugly white or gray or whatever it is. Gray, I think. So the plan is we are going to be strapping on a 76 to the 302. That's what the plan is. So that's why I'm wanting to put, you know, new gaskets and stuff like that in it. You know, why not inside the car? Why not do it now? It's the best time to do it. I hate to put everything back together, then take everything out and do it, then, you know, so I talked to Greg, me and him talked. He sent me everything I needed for the kit. And that's what we're going to put in the car. We're going to put that 76 on it. And we're going to see what our little 302 will do. We're not going to go big boost or anything like that. We'll probably go maybe 5 pound or so. Be conservative, you know what I mean? But this right here came, if I can get it out without dropping it. That's the main thing. Ah! Wow. Alright, this came the other week too. This is another key component that we will be needing, and I'm running out of space. I really am. That's why we need to get some of this stuff put on the car, because I'm tired of my shop being cluttered with stuff. And a lot of stuff over here is off of this car, so. Yeah, this package here came the same week that I got all the, well, finished up buying the pieces for the 302. So this is another component that we're going to be using and needing on this build, I think. Now, keep in mind, I've never done a turbo build before. So, this is all new to me. So, I'm going to be learning, you know, as I go. So, we're going to jump in it feet first and do the best we can. So, that's why I'm trying to get the correct parts, you know, to be able to make everything work the way it's supposed to. So, what we acquired was a micro squirt from EFI source, and I think it's 86 to 93. So we got the micro squirt, and it comes with, even if you want to put that in your car without even running boost or anything like that, it comes with a stock 5.0 tune. So that's, you know, shipping and all, you can't beat it for the money. It's programmable, so, you know, why not go with this one? So that's why we went with this one. We got everything we need. Got the pigtail. It plugs into the factory pigtail. And then you have your MAV sensor right here. So you have this sensor here, which is going to be replacing this sensor here. So we should have everything we need to make this kit. Oh, excuse me, my bad. We should have everything we need to make this kit work like it's supposed to, hopefully. Fingers crossed. Like I said, I've never done this before, guys. You know, I know this is a budget build, but everything was bought on a budget, trust me. But we should have the correct components is what I'm trying to say. That's why I have the 47-pound injectors, is because that's what they recommended. So that's why I went ahead and got those. I was going to get new injectors anyway, even if I got stock ones or, you know, aftermarket. So yeah, we should have just about everything we need, hopefully. And we should have a fuel pump in here somewhere. We're also going to upgrade the fuel pump. And like I showed you earlier in the video, we had the bracket for the alternator. Looks like we have a extra spring. All of our V-bands. All of our V-band clamps and stuff. And all of our piping clamps. And I think this right here is actually some bolts, I believe is what that is. What it feels like anyway. And of course there's the injectors. Got the injectors. So we got new injectors. Got all the couplings. And I'm assuming one of these should be wastegate. And one should be blow off. One should be a fuel pump. And I don't know, I got to get it. We need to get everything unboxed and see what the contents are. So let's do that real quick. Alright guys, let's see if we can do this one-handed. Look like it's trying to come up, open by itself anyway. Maybe it'll come open better on this one. Alright, so got our vacuum lines, boost control. That. Let's see. This probably, I don't know if I'll be able to do this in one hand. The way the box looks. Okay, it opens from the front here. There we go. This is probably, yep, fuel pump. So this is the fuel pump. This fuel pump can run E85. So we got a new fuel pump to put in there. I told him to go ahead and send me one of those. I got everything that he recommended because I told him what I was doing. That I was just going to put this on a stock 302. And he said that's what these things are designed for. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to put it on there. Like I said, we're gonna run the little 302 as long as we possibly can. She's been a good little motor so far, so we ain't trying to blow it up, but we want to try to get some horsepower out of it. You know, wake her up a little bit. Alright. So, looks like we have everything, the O-ring. So we got, looks like, what is this here, a blow off. Pretty heavy piece there, nice. Nice packaging. So we should have everything we need to put that on. I'm kind of going through these real quick, guys. I'm trying not to make this video super long for you. I know they're not fun to watch when they're drug out. I know we already make sucky ones, so we're trying to make the best ones. So you guys will enjoy this build that I'm doing on this car. Because like I said, you know, this is my first time doing it too, guys. And I ain't even cutting the tape. Try not to cut deep. Let's see if we got it. Yeah, there we go. Alright, let's see. And there we go. There's our wastegate. Let's see if I can dig it out with one hand. Oh, she's heavy, man. Well, there we go. Got the clamps on there already. Nice quality. So yeah, guys, I'm super excited about this because I want to be able to experience it for myself, building one, and to get the experience to build one. That's the whole point of this. I'm gonna be learning as I go. So, you know, it is what it is, man. We'll just take our time at it, make sure we get everything done right as humanly possible. And yeah, I'm hoping she's gonna turn out to be a little bit of a handful when we get done with her. So I think she'll do good once we get everything dialed in the way it's supposed to be. All right, guys, as you can see, we should have all the components that we need for the On3 Performance Turbo. I want to say thanks to On3 Performance for helping me out with this build. I talked to them, made sure I got everything that I needed to make this system work properly. You know, injector, fuel pump, all that good stuff. So guys, go check them out. Then I wanted to get these boxes open to make sure everything was in the kit that we needed, and it looks like everything's here. The micro squirt, the reason why I got the micro squirt real quick is because I want to be able to tune it myself instead of having to keep paying somebody to tune it. Those kits do come with the stock 5.0 tune, if I didn't mention. And yeah, it's all learning experience. It's my first turbo setup, so I'm gonna be learning, and I hope you guys will be learning at the same time I'm learning. But thanks for watching. Until then, keep your eye out. Still got a lot of stuff to do, a lot of stuff coming, a lot of videos to make. Until then, guys, thanks for watching.